Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload my new videos. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Sharmin Soma here. For this hairstyle, first I am combing my hair to remove all the knots and tangles from my hair. Then I did middle partition of my hair to secure this hair head ornaments or head pieces. To secure these head pieces, I am using two bobby pins, crossway, one from right and one from left. Now I'm taking some hair from the crown area of my head because in this area I'm going to use bump it. That's why I'm taking some hair and just slightly I did back combing so that the bump pit is stuck on it. This is the bump pit, and I'm placing this bump pit on that area where I did back combing. It helps this bump pit to stuck in this place. Make sure it's middle on your hair. And now to cover this bump pit, I'm taking some hair from front side. Just back comb this hair little bit so that it makes volume, and it will help to cover your bump pit well. Make sure the line of front side is clean. Make the surface clean and then secure it with some bobby pins, and always secure your bobby pins in crossway. If you want, you can use hairspray. It will give more finishing look to your hair. Now I'm going to roll my front hair. To rolling my hair, I'm using a hair roller. This is the hair roller. With this hair roller, I'm going to roll my hair, and then I will give heat with a hair dryer. Just roll your hair with this hair roller and then give heat with your hair dryer like 30 seconds to 1 minute. Here I am rolling my hair first, and then I will back combing this hair. In my other part, here I'm first back combing my hair, you can see, and then I'm rolling my hair. You can do it in both way. You can roll your hair first and then back comb your hair, or you can back comb your hair first and then roll your hair. That's it. My front hair setting is done, and now I'm going to roll my hair ends. I have layer haircut on my hair. If you have layer cut 3-step U cut V cut, then this hairstyle is for you. You can do this hairstyle if you have layer cut, V cut, 3-step or U cut on your hair. Look how I am doing it. You need just a little bit practice and you can do this hairstyle so easily at home. Just roll your hair end like that and then carefully remove it from the roller brush. Look how beautiful it's looking. this is the one part of my hair. I divided my hair in two parts, and every part I did two section. This is the first section I did, and then I'm doing now the other section of my hair. Again, roll my hair and give heat to this hair. Hold it for 30 to 40 seconds and then carefully remove your hair from brush, and look how beautiful this curl is looking right now. See, it's so easy. You need little bit practice and then you can do this hairstyle so easily. Now the same way I'm going to do my other part of my hair. I did my both side hair curl, and look how beautiful the curl is looking right now. And if you want more volume to your hair, then you can use mousse or gel, or you can use dry shampoo on your hair. Then it will give more volume to your hair and look more beautiful. I hope you like this video, like this hairstyle. If you like this hairstyle, like this video, then give a like and share it with your friends and family in social media. You can also show some love to me by subscribe my channel. So if you want to subscribe my channel, hit this red button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload my new videos, and it's absolutely free. So that's all for now, and this is my final look. And if you like my makeup and wanna see how I did it, then see the video Engagement Bridal Makeup. I used pen stick and pancake for this makeup look. The link is given to the description box below and also first comment of this video. Please check it out. And you can also see the video right now by clicking the eyeball right hand corner now seeing on the video screen. Just click it and see the video. Thanks for watching this video till the end. That's all for now. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Love you all.